Hey everyone, it's Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator, and I'm going to show you how you can scale recipes. So we're in our recipes here, and we are going to take a look at this oatmeal raisin cookie recipe, and we're going to notice that the recipe size is for 24 cookies. Now we're going to want to scale that up, and so we're going to go up here and we're going to click Scale Recipe. You can scale the recipe by many different ways. You can scale the recipe by multiple, simply increasing it to 2 times or 3 times. You can scale it to a specific yield, and in this case the yield is cookies, and so you could scale it up to just typing in a number of cookies that you might want to scale it up to. Or you can also scale it by an ingredient. If you have a specific amount of an ingredient on hand and you can't use more than that ingredient, or you know that you want to use a specific amount of an ingredient, you could scale it up based on how much of an ingredient that you have. So if you had, say you had 12 pounds of butter, you could scale it up to using a maximum of 12 pounds of butter. If we scale that recipe and we save it, then what we can do is we can see the scaled version of the recipe, and it will show us our updated costing, our updated quantities needed, and then anytime we wanted to edit the scaling or change the scaling, we can just click on edit and we can scale it back based on whatever we'd like, or we can just scale it back to our original recipe. Let me know if this has been helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions.